Hi, we're here at the Wyeth in Falmouth, Maine on the 3rd level, and we're going to take a tour of residence 301, which is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Let's take a look. So this floor plan is 1,255 square feet. It features, as you walk in, a coat closet and a half bath, which is unique to this floor plan, where it's the only 2-bedroom with 2.5 baths. From this entryway, we open up into the living space and kitchen. This residence's kitchen features manufactured quartz countertops. You have custom cabinetry with details like in this taller cabinet. You have an outlet inside it so that if you want a microwave, but you don't want to see it, it can be tucked away. You have Bosch stainless steel appliances, induction range. This area is set up as a dining area. Just beyond it, we have a pantry/laundry closet. So there is washer dryer hookup in residence here, so you don't have to go down the hall or somewhere else. Bedrooms are off of the living area. And then as we flow over here, you have this beautiful view of the forest. So we have a private balcony that overlooks the forest. What you can't see at this time of year is a retention pond below us that has a water feature that runs and provides a nice white noise background. So every residence at the Wyeth, and this is no exception, has an electric heat and glow fireplace. It does have a heater that can blow hot air with a fan, or you can just have it like it is now, which is just kind of a visual ambiance. We're entering the primary suite, which has generous space, allowing for a king-size bed to fit nicely, nightstands, which then flows to a very generous primary bath. As you'll notice, the shower has a custom glass door already built in, and then it flows right into a generous sized primary walk-in closet. So leaving the primary suite, we come this way as we pass the pantry laundry closet, and we have the guest second bedroom. So shared earlier, what makes this residence, this floor plan unique is that you have 2.5 baths, which allow for both bedrooms to have their own ensuite baths, which is a really nice benefit. Residents love this floor plan because it is a corner unit. It allows for ample natural light to come in, the proximity to the elevator, and you don't hear a thing because the quality of the construction is so well done. You have steel frame all the way into the bedrock to the roof. You have poured slab concrete on every level. So it's very quiet in the Wyeth. And then residents appreciate the forest views. If you'd like to learn more about this residence or any others here at the Wyeth, please reach out to Allie or myself, 207-560-7000, or reach out to sales@thewyethfalmouth.com. Thank you.